Hello everyone, I'm Yusuf Abdullah, and in this video we're going to talk about web security and why it is important in our daily lives. Every day we browse websites, log in into our account, shop online, and share information through the internet. We often do these activities without thinking about the security behind them. This is where web security becomes important. Web security is the practice of protecting websites and web applications from attacks, vulnerabilities, and unauthorized access. So, what kind of threats can affect a website or web application? There are many common web threats, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, and API vulnerabilities. If these vulnerabilities are not properly handled, attackers may be able to access sensitive information or perform action they are not supposed to do. Now let's look at a simple example of how a web attack can happen. It starts with a request being sent to the application web. If the application does not properly validate or process the input, an attacker may be able to manipulate the request. The vulnerable application then process the malicious input and may interact with the server or database in an unintended way. If the vulnerability is successfully exploited, the attacker may gain unauthorized access to information or functionality. So, what should we do to make web application more secure? First, we need to properly validate and handle user input. We should also use secure authentication and authorization, apply proper access control, and protect sensitive data. From a development perspective, we need to secure the API endpoint so they cannot be accessed by unauthorized individual. And also, security testing should also be performed regularly to identify vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. The most important thing is to consider security throughout the entire development process, not only after the application is finished. Web applications are an important part of our daily lives, so protecting them is essential. By applying secure development practices and continuously testing for vulnerabilities, we can reduce the risk of attacks and protect user data. And remember, security should be built in, not added at in the end. Thank you for watching and stay vigilant.